Hi everybody, I'm about to tell you kind of a gross story, so you've been warned. A couple months ago, I was waking up in the morning feeling really achy, and my doctor friend recommended to get these Detox foot pads. Now, this made no sense to me, but he said what you do is you put these pads on your feet at night and sleep. I ordered them on Amazon, and that night when I got to bed, I put them on my feet. And the next morning when I took them off, and this is no joke and kind of gross, it was unbelievable. I know a little bit about reflexology, and I have heard that there are so many nerve endings in the bottom of your foot that you actually can press and feel certain parts of your body just by pressing certain pressure points in your foot. What I didn't realize was just how the toxins work through your body and come out the bottom of your feet while you sleep. Think about it. You wear a shoe and you get odor in that shoe. That at night, if you're perspiring, your body is pushing out toxins. I don't know how this works, but I just know that it works. I put a link to these Detox foot pads in my description below. Now I want to warn you, the pad looked gross in the morning, but what was more gross to me was the idea that this stuff was in my body and coming out of my feet. I don't want to be somebody who is trying to hawk a product, but it helped me, and I feel like it's important that I say, if you have a problem similar to me, aches and pains, it may help.